Lift kit, check. Wheels, check. Tires, check. Everything on the outside is looking great, but every single time you hop in your vehicle, you're sitting in the same uncomfortable factory seats, carpet floors, and untinted windows. In today's video, we're going to be looking at upgrades on your truck that actually make a difference and that you'll notice every single time you hop in. So why interior upgrades? Truth be told, this is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of what you can do to your truck, Bronco, or other SUV. And the reason's simple. Right? We all want to build our vehicle and we want people to notice them. We want to walk out in our driveway and we want to smile, and you don't have the same smile effect when you walk out in your driveway, look at your truck, and there's just new floor mats on the inside. But you drive your vehicle, you sit in it every single time, and so you might as well be upgrading the interior as well. So when we look at these trucks, we obviously see that we add the lift kit, the wheels, the tires, and yes, that affects our exterior handling, but last time I checked, I don't sit on the tires, I don't press buttons on the wheels. No, I do all of that on the interior. And so when you're doing your interior upgrade, think of it like an investment for yourself. We overlook it because it's not the flashy thing, but it's probably the most underrated because it's the one we need the most, and we neglect because others aren't gonna smile the same way as we do. So first thing you need to do is treat yourself to some interior upgrades. By far, one of the first upgrades you can do to the interior of your truck, but is often overlooked, is going to be KatzKin Leather seats. One of the things that I am thankful for here at Krietz Customs is that we work with a phenomenal company like KatzKin. This is not a sponsored video, we just believe in their product. One of the benefits of KatzKin Leather seats is that you are getting a premium seat replacement. All the foam stays the same, but you are getting an actual leather factory-like feel that's going over it. We've all cheaped out. Right? You go to AutoZone or your local automotive dealership, you find some seat covers, they look great, they slide over initially, and they even seem to fit well, but after your butt slides out of it a couple times, it's shifted to the left, it doesn't sit right, you're constantly under there retying it, but with KatzKin Leather seats, that's not the case. This is actually a full upholstery replacement. So one of the things I love and that we kind of did here is we kept a factory-like look to the vehicle. We all love, for the most part, the factory look, but for most of us, sometimes the interior doesn't quite match the style we want with the truck or the look we're going for. Maybe the piping color's off. Maybe there's no Diamond Tech stitching. Maybe you wish that your heated seats had a little bit of perforation for the overall look of it. With KatzKin seats being over 3,000 customizing options with patterns and 120 colors to choose from, you have maximum customizability with your seats. So no more being confined to the factory limits of your vehicle. Don't feel like you're trapped in a seat you really don't want to sit in, because with KatzKin Leather seats, you're able to upgrade not only to something that looks good, but that feels, and new car smell, has the right smell off the start. The next upgrade you're missing on your truck or SUV is going to be window tint. Window tint's not just about looks, it's also about performance and ride comfort. Oftentimes we look at window tint, especially the 5% limo tint, and we go, that looks stealthy, it looks aggressive, it looks tough, it is a very sleek look, and I'm not even going to deny that. But there's an added benefit that comes with window tint that's often overlooked. Many of us are choosing it for its appearance rather than how it's going to perform. When we go with window tint, whether that be a base level like 3M's Color Stable or their ceramic or even their crystalline option, we're actually gaining ride comfort because of the heat rejection and UV rejection properties. None of us are immune to the sun, so when we're parked our vehicles in a parking lot, it's a sunny summer day, or if you're here in Maryland and you get false springs and false winters and false summers where it goes from up and down, you need something that's going to be protecting against the elements and keeping your vehicle cool or at the right temperature of heat, which window tint is going to help accomplish. Luckily for us, working with 3M, this is a product that is very good in all types of weather, so you don't get crazy discoloration. You are getting high premium products even on the lower trim levels. And you have the option to match your front windows to your rear, go darker, go lighter, do the full cab, do a tint band across the front, and even your sunroof. So the next thing you need to be doing if you haven't already hopped on KatzKin is also consider doing window tint. The third item on the list you need to be considering when doing upgrades to your vehicle are going to be all-weather floor mats. Whether you have a truck or an SUV, all-weather floor mats are not only often overlooked, but the highest performing item you can probably get your money's worth for in your vehicle. If you are someone with an SUV especially, and you have kids and you're driving around, you know the struggle. You got carpet floor mats, a kid drops their milkshake, it's stuck in the carpet, you scrub and scrub and scrub, you try every floor cleaner, nothing, it doesn't budge. Maybe you're someone who commutes and you drive to different job sites for a construction company, you hop in and then there's mud caked in there. You're not going to have that same issue when you upgrade to an all-weather floor mat. Few brands that we work with are WeatherTech, Rough Country, and Husky liners. Each of these are a great option because they are laser fit to your vehicle, and that's the key point you need to keep in mind. When looking at upgrading for your vehicle for a WeatherTech, meaning a rubberized floor mat, you need to make sure that it's something that's going to be cut to your vehicle. I've hopped in vehicles where it's the generic one that you either need to cut out or it's just a slab of rubber down on the ground, and that's great for the standpoint of not getting mud in the carpet, but it's not fun when you hit the brakes not suppressing, and the reason why is the floor mat is tucked up under it and you can't come to a stop. Upgrading to a premium option or even an option that is comparable to a factory floor liner like Rough Country is going to give you the ability for it to snap into place, stay locked in, find the right curves with the body line of your vehicle, and offer you the maximum weather protection that you need. This can prevent from coffee stains to mud to stuff getting dropped on the floor and really just not wearing out the carpet that lies beneath it. So the third item you need to consider when upgrading your interior to your vehicle are going to be weather rubberized floor mats. We see it all the time. Customers come in, they build the exterior, they leave looking nice, but then they come back. A few months ago, we had a customer do the exterior of his vehicle, picked up, called us back and said, man, I wish I did the interior again. He didn't really like the factory seats. He then came in, upgraded with KatzKin Leather, and quite frankly, we all need to take a page out of that guy's book and realize the interior is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of our vehicle, but the most impactful for our everyday driving. Here at Krietz Customs, stop by so we can do your exterior and the interior of your vehicle. I'm Nick. As always, pleasure working with you. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell for future notifications, and as always, dare to be different. See you in the next one. Okay, Krietz Custom family, don't forget about our end of the year giveaway. This year, we're trying to hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube. Our giveaway rules are pretty simple. Subscribe, like, comment, and it allows us to be able to notify you if you are the winner, but we do have to hit 50,000. You may be wondering what we're giving away. We're giving away a set of 22 by 12 inch fuel wheels and up to 35 inch tires. So if you want a new set of shoes and wheels for your ride, definitely make sure you subscribe and help us reach our goal so you can be riding in style. See you soon.